Hey, how you going? Well, it is July 2017 and the investment space has changed massively in the last couple of months. There always used to be a rule that banks could never have more than 10% growth in their investment portfolio, and that came in probably about 2 years ago. But in the last couple of months, APRA and ASCIS have changed the rules, which has changed a lot about what banks are prepared to do for lending for investment properties. What they've basically done is they've said, you can't have any more than 30% of your total portfolio of loans as interest only, whether that's an owner-occupied property or whether it's an investment property. So what's happened is the banks want everyone to change because they've got to mix this and balance this whole portfolio and investment lending. So as a result of that, because I guess the big picture is about they want to reduce risk. What the banks have now done is they've said, we're not going to lend you as much money for an investment. So they will only lend up to 90%, including lender's mortgage insurance. This is a really big change because previously they would go up to 95% lend, including lender's mortgage insurance. So that's actually a significant amount of money. So the question is, what does that mean for you? And basically what that means for you is that you're going to have to save more deposit if you are buying a property on its own, or potentially you may need to have more equity in your existing home so that you can then afford to only borrow up to that 90%. In the ideal world, we all want to go under 80% because we don't have to pay lender's mortgage insurance, but that's not always a reality. So big changes at the moment. I'm hoping it'll stabilize a little bit in the next sort of 6 to 12 months, I suppose, and it will be interesting to look again and then see where the space is from an investment perspective.